When you can't work, you can't move around, it's challenging, especially when you've been doing it your whole life. I went to see Dr. Pyfram, and he's been an absolute blessing for me. He was kind, he's knowledgeable, he's passionate. The funniest thing is he said, "How did your hip get this bad? Your hip was real bad." Then I got the hip replacement. So I've been really blessed to get a relief. I don't have that sharp pain where I can't walk. I'm able to walk better. So just being able to walk to the park, ride the bike, and swim. If someone is having hip pain, I would tell them to go to Dignity Health Medical Group. The way I experience human kindness here, it's been an absolute blessing. To be kind to people during pain, that's a dream for us patients.